Hello friends, this is Sai Panendra from SQL School. This is regarding the new batches we scheduled for September 2nd week. We assure you complete practice oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. And for 18 years of technical experience, completely into database platforms and Microsoft technologies, completely project oriented, step by step guidance. We have been with multiple MNCs across the globe. And here are the courses that we offer at our school, right from the scratch, database basics and fundamentals, to programming courses, data engineering courses, BI developer and data analyst courses, administration and ETL admin courses. And you may plan to upskill yourself with SQL and Power BI if you are a starter profile, new to IT. You have prior experience on IT, you may opt for SQL plus data engineering, or more experienced profiles, data engineering plus Power BI, or you may opt for SQL with Power BI, SQL developer with Power BI. And here are the schedules, the upcoming schedules in near future, this week and next week. You may choose to attend one or two free demo classes and then decide to journey with us for beautifying our resume. We ensure you 100% practical training with friendly support and step-by-step guidance. And you may reach our team 24/7 or reach me directly on the contact information you see on our website. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in our live class. Thank you once again.